貔貅 not Pichu, Pichu is beer.
必须。
Yeah, another name, money dragon.
Money
Okay.
trader.
Chinese people believe feng shui is feng shui ethical. It is like the scandal asshole. Never go to toilets. Only money come in, never goes out. And how to put it? We must put them off. Face the mean door. Because all good luck, happiness, business coming to you from the mean door. What's inside? Sometimes someone putting on feet, rolling cash, put his mouth. Another good meaning, it can protect honor and residents from evils, demons. In ancient China, we didn't have electricity and advanced tools. Masters only use their patience, wisdom, and exquisite common skill to create a piece. At the time, they use patterns, step by step, create power and become too slowly. You know, Jade has a several thousand years history in China. Different dynasty has different typical JPs, can reflect Chinese culture and Chinese history at that time. Furthermore, the terracotta warrior originated from Qin dynasty in ancient China over 2,200 years ago. When the first emperor passed away, he made a lot of terracotta warriors and buried him and the deeper ground together. But all hollow piece clay made. This is solid JP. This is an archer for shooting. Later, if you can lift it, you can take it for free. Nearly 2 tons. Not later, at the generation, protect the younger generations. Can you take it out?
Can you take it out?
That means nobody can save your family. From our Jade factory, show you how to make cards. This is only the small workshop, just to show you how to cut Jade pieces. We also have Beijing factories close to Jade mines. How to make cards between 4 steps. First, choosing raw material. Second, designing. This is the third step card. You can see master is making the special Jade factory. We call it Happy Family Ball. It's made by one solid Jade piece. The ball is a ball inside ball. It is movable. And later, let me show you how to make it. That is the last step version. To be honest, for the masters, they never go to university or training school. They only learn common skill from their ancestors. And their ancestors have worked for people's own life. Up to now, no school teaches how to make cards in China. Only generation.
All the equipment to do it. But in the past, y'all handmade. The Jade, they have a different colors.
Oh.